welcome back to our channel. Today is Ramadan day 5. I can't believe we're almost done with the week. I mean, there's still technically 2 more days, but the week is almost over. I just feel like the day is just going by so fast, and by the time that I'm cooking, I'm still not done and it's time to eat. Anyways, I'm so excited because today I'll be cooking with my sister Suhaila. She's on her way here and we're going to be making chicken shawarma bowls as well as Musakhan rolls. Now, I love Musakhan. Musakhan is one of my favorite Palestinian dishes, but I'm so used to eating it the traditional way where it's like the onions on the big piece of bread. But when we were in Dubai 2 years ago, we had dinner at a Palestinian restaurant and they had Musakhan rolls. That sounded so good. We ordered it and guys, it was delicious. It was so good. I lost count on how many of those rolls I had. So Suhaila and I are going to attempt to make them today as a side dish apart from the chicken shawarma bowl that we're already making. As you can tell, we're really hungry all day long. We've been talking about chicken shawarma bowl, so I can't wait till she gets here. Okay, this is for the chicken. Suhaila's here!
That's your sister.
Just in time. I was taking everything out. Okay, I'm coming. Who's here? Look who's here. Oh my god. Look who's here. Suhaila, no, like you could literally hear my stomach growl. Every 2 minutes.
Everything ready?
I have everything. It's not ready, but I have everything. I was just saying that we're going to attempt to make the Musakhan rolls. But you actually made it before. I don't know why I said attempt. Yes. I'm attempting. You've made it before.
So I attempted making it at home and I told OMAYA about it, so she was super excited since I told her.
I was like, yes, let's do it.
And it came out so good because, like, honestly, it's so hard to eat like the big Musakhan bread.
Yeah, it is hard.
It's like messy.
It's not hard, it's messy.
Yeah, and I don't know, I just enjoyed it more like that because it's like little appetizers.
It's like making little, what are the waddies?
Yeah,
right?
I know, it's very, and it's so fast and easy. 5:07.
It's 5:07 and we break our fast at 7 something, 7:40?
Yeah, like 2 hours and a half.
Okay, so.
And we're making a lot.
Yes, yes, I'm so
Let's
excited.
Get started?
Yes. I'm going to boil some water for the chicken that we'll be using for the Musakhan rolls. This is the chicken we'll be using for shawarma. Going to add fresh garlic.
It's so stubborn, it doesn't want to get out.
I know. We put at least 5 cloves.
Yeah, only because we did a lot of chicken.
Mix and mix and mix. But what a rookie move. We're making Musakhan rolls and the main ingredient is sumac. And we have like the smallest amount that's not going to do it. So we're gonna need Muhammad to run an errand for us. Real quick, it's 6:17.
No,
we eat like an hour and 30 minutes.
You got, if this was Iron Chef, you both would be fine.
Honestly, I'm like the slowest person in the kitchen.
No.
Yes.
Well, my average is 2 hours for a salad. No, but wallah, she's, because you know the thing is with Maya is she likes to perfect everything. That likes to clean everything. Pretty much the sink has to be clean. The cucumbers has to be cut decently. The onions.
Wouldn't you want?
I don't even eat onions and tomatoes.
Wouldn't you want whoever's making your meals to have a very clean surrounding environment?
You should see what I ate growing up. Not from my mom, but I'm just saying in general.
In Egypt growing up, it was I know. I'm just a slowpoke, honestly. You're trying to make me sound really nice, but it's just so slow.
You both are really good.
I'm hungry.
You both are really good. You guys are amazing chefs. You just don't have any ingredients.
I love how we notice an hour later.
We have so much.
You know the good thing is I just put Adam to sleep too. So I was literally about to close my eyes and just rest. But hey,
thank you.
Let's rest.
Drive safe. OMAYA's gonna cover it so we can leave it to marinate for a little while.
Suhaila is on cutting onion duties because this is way too much onion for me.
Just give me a second, then I'm gonna start crying.
You know, I heard there's a hack of like, a hack that'll prevent you from watery eyes when cutting onions. Apparently, like chewing gum.
There's many hacks, supposedly. Tried a couple, nothing worked.
Really?
Honestly, I feel like there's no hack to cutting onions. Like, it's just
That's it.
You're gonna have to deal with it.
Yeah.
So how's Ramadan?
It's been good, honestly.
Really?
Yeah, it's not too tough. I think I just get more thirsty than hungry.
Oh my god, my eyes.
Yeah, your eyes. Oh, well, now you're feeling it because you're right next.
I'm more than cutting it. I think that's enough. I think that's good. You were saying? I was just saying how I feel Ramadan is going by so fast. And I don't know if it's because I have Adam that I'm just like
You're
super
more
busy.
distracted?
Yeah, I am
Yeah.
distracted. It could be that. Is it
I
not
feel
for
like
you?
it is because like we're already on day 5,
Yeah.
which sounds insane. Wow. Ignore all the onion I dropped around this. I'm sorry. But like I said, I just get more thirsty than hungry throughout the
God.
day. Like I drink water all the time.
Yeah. What about your caffeine?
Well, I'm not like you. I don't crave coffee as much as you do.
Yeah, I feel like coffee was the hardest thing to give up. Or to not give up because I could still have it at nighttime. Yeah, but it's just the hardest thing because I'm so used to waking up and just drinking coffee that like waking up without it is so hard. We're frying the onions that we'll be using for the Musakhan Roll. You want to cook them until they're translucent. I just uncovered this chicken and it smells so amazing. We have about 20 minutes until it's iftar time, so I'm going to start cooking these. It's really hot. I don't know if I said this before, but like any time that we are together, we never like eat on time. And it's because we're taking our sweet time or we're like having conversations and then you look up and it's been like 10 minutes past iftar time. So
Let's break our fast.
It's 7:40 what?
47.
Can't even see. 7:47 and we are supposed to break our fast like 5 minutes ago?
Yeah, about.
Okay, so time to break our fast. Bismillah. These dates that I got from Costco are no joke, the most soft, delicious, sweet dates I've ever had. So delicious. How is it going, Mo? Adam, ten paciencia. Oh, Habibi. Yay, are you happy you're eating? Did you say Bismillah? Did you say Alhamdulillah? Now that we can taste our food, how is it?
Yeah,
Is the
honestly,
chicken good?
that's the part that like gets me every time when you're cooking.
I know.
That you don't know what it needs. That's why I
And-
left everything out just in case.
Even though you're allowed to taste your food while
I
cooking.
can't. I feel guilty.
Same.
Does need a little bit of salt.
Since I'm not the pro at making this, I'm gonna ask you, what did you put in the chicken for the Musakhan rolls?
So after you let the onions cook,
Okay.
I put.
Add in chicken right away?
You could do it either way. I like putting it when the onion's only in there. I
Okay,
put
so as the onions are frying or after the onions are fried?
after the onions are fried.
Okay.
You want to make sure it's cooked first.
Okay,
So then I put lemon.
okay.
I
One
put-
lemon?
This time I put about 1.5 just because we had a lot of chicken.
Okay.
So lemon, I put garlic powder, paprika, I put a little bit of cinnamon, salt, pepper, a lot of sumac because that's the main ingredient is
Yes, sumac.
And then I tried something new, I put pomegranate molasses.
Ooh.
And it gave it the perfect touch, honestly.
OMG. And for those who don't know, this is sumac. So this is actually what's going to give that beautiful, the red look to the onions. So this is a must when making Musakhan. What am I doing? Teach me. Teach me your ways. I'm so hungry.
We're talking to Linda, making me forget. Oh, sorry, you're
Ooh,
recording.
You cut it like a pizza?
Yeah, it's little triangles.
OMG. Let's show.
But this bread is so thin.
It doesn't look like a pizza, guys. By the way, for reference, can we show how the bread looks?
This is how big it is.
For reference, this is how big the bread to make Musakhan looks. You put the onion and chicken on it, okay?
Well, no, they use, when you make the big one, you use the big
Big
bread.
chicken. Oh,
This is just for this.
Never mind. Scratch
Ignore
that.
it.
Scratch
If you
it.
want to make Musakhan rolls, do
Rolls.
this. It's easier to use this.
Forget what I just said.
She's new in the kitchen.
Clearly, this is why I don't make cooking videos. Okay.
Start.
We're
What do I
hungry.
do? What do I do? Okay, so grab spoon.
How much do you put? Is this good or more?
You could put.
I want a
you
lot.
want. Yeah, exactly.
I don't want to be stingy.
So I just do this. Okay, wow.
What do you do?
So Do that.
Roll it.
Yeah.
Literally.
No. Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Tuck it in.
Tuck,
Because
tuck the outsides in. It's what the wali on bread.
It's not what the way.
It is. Look at that. Oh, mine's not
Look, yours
clean.
looks booty.
Now it looks good.
Look, this is how you get the perfect ones because when you press it, you don't want it to come out.
Right. Right.
It's not a competition.
It's a competition.
No talking.
Roll it.
Oh, no. Look, that's why it falls out. Listen, look. Right. Do this, then you tuck it, then you tuck it, and then you roll it so it doesn't fall out.
I'm getting Sahela cutting the bread.
I don't have a cutting board big enough for this bread.
It's okay.
Cut the half in half. And then one more time. If you want it bigger, you could do it bigger. But
No, that's like perfect. Perfect pizza slice. Okay, so now I am cutting some pickles and pickle turnip to top the bowl with.
But actually, for doing 3 videos, for it to be 8, it's not bad, right?
Yeah, honestly, let's be fair.
3 videos.
Let's be fair. 3 videos, recording 2 TikToks and a YouTube video. I don't know how the food bloggers make these types of videos seem so easy. It requires a lot of work and a lot of time. Like, oh my god, do that again. Wait, no, I didn't catch that clip. Cut it again.
I'm gonna have to get this angle. I have to get that angle.
So many angles, and it's just like, it's a lot. It's a lot of work. And last but not least, the way you cook these rolls is by pressing them because the chicken is already cooked.
So it gives you a crispy look.
Yes. And Sahela topped it with olive oil and sumac. So she made a little mix and then just brushed lightly. OMG. Yes, I'll have 2. Okay, so we are going to test the food, but I think Mohammed started, so how about you?
And I'm about to.
How was it?
It's really
How
really
is
good.
it? How is
It's
it?
really, really good.
Really, really good? Out of 1 to 10. Give me how
No,
good?
10. Mashallah.
A 10?
Yeah, you guys did amazing.
Whoa.
It's really good. Wallah.
I wasn't
don't even-
expecting the 10, honestly. I
I
was
don't even
expecting
eat
like
these.
a 7.5.
Let's ask him how he likes them Musakhan rolls because he doesn't like onions.
Yes, try them Musakhan rolls.
I just did.
It's good?
You
It's
like
really good.
it?
Yeah, wallah.
You
It really
guys,
is good.
Mo hates onions more than anything. The fact that he's eating this, I'm very shocked. Why are you eating it?
You guys did the onions in a good way. They're
You know
not
what
grilled.
she put?
It's
She
weird.
put, it's fried. But
That's
she
why.
put molasses
Which you love.
to make it like
It's
a
really
little
No,
sour.
it's good, man.
By the way, no, we're not eating here. I just wanted to quickly try it before we sit down properly like most people do.
Sorry, it's doing me. I'm going in.
This is delicious, wallah. You guys did good. You guys did
Worth the wait.
10 out of 10.
Did you
Good.
try it?
So good.
Just so you know, it's 9 p.m.
Mo said he needs to speak to our manager.
So like, not only did we pass iftar time, but like a little bit, but it's 9 p.m. Like it's Isha now. Come on, Papa, you're gonna eat too.
So what do you
Come
do?
on. Did you get a drink? Did you get your fizzy drink?
Yes.